Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and in this video we're going to show you how to pair the boAt Rockerz 335 Bluetooth earphones with your Android smartphone device. To begin with, you should ensure that your headset is properly charged. We've brought this up to 100%, and then you should always read the user manual because that will have all the instructions regarding how you should operate your device. To initiate the pairing process, ensure that Bluetooth is switched on your smartphone. Then head over to the Bluetooth settings. On your earphone, find the multifunction button, which is on the right band, and keep it pressed for 3 seconds. Once you do that, the Bluetooth functionality will be enabled, and then you can search for it. You can see that the Rockerz 335 has appeared in your Bluetooth configuration window. Tap on it. And you'll be provided with a confirmation prompt. You should accept that. And you're done. You can now head over to your favorite music player app and enjoy some music. We hope you found this particular video informative. Thank you for watching.